The story of this 19-year-old baker is a powerful testament to modern entrepreneurship and the incredible potential of the digital age. It perfectly encapsulates how traditional barriers to entry have been dismantled by accessible technology. Decades ago, launching a bakery required substantial capital, a physical storefront, expensive marketing campaigns, and enormous financial risk. Today, the landscape has fundamentally shifted. Her journey from a passionate teenager to a successful business owner generating 4 lakh rupees in just 6 months demonstrates that a simple smartphone and a genuine skill can effectively replace massive initial investments and complex corporate infrastructures completely. Age is frequently cited as a limitation in the business world, but this narrative completely shatters that outdated misconception. At merely 19, she leveraged her youth as an asset rather than viewing it as a liability. Young entrepreneurs often possess a natural fluency with social media algorithms and digital trends that older generations must struggle to learn. Her passion for baking provided the essential foundation, fueling the long hours and dedication required to launch a venture. When genuine passion meets relentless execution, the results are extraordinary. She did not wait for permission. She simply started baking and started filming immediately. Instagram Reels served as her primary catalyst for rapid growth and customer acquisition. In today's highly visual economy, short-form video content is undeniably the most potent tool for organic reach. Instead of paying for expensive advertisements, she showcased her baking process, the textures of her cakes, and the behind-the-scenes reality of a home bakery. This strategic transparency does something traditional marketing cannot easily replicate. It builds an immediate emotional connection. Viewers were not merely buying a baked good. They were investing in her story, her daily hustle, and her transparent dedication to crafting high-quality, delicious items. The concept of bootstrapping is beautifully illustrated in her incredibly inspiring 6-month journey. Many prospective business owners paralyze themselves by believing they need perfect packaging, a fully equipped commercial kitchen, and a professional branding agency before selling their first item. She rejected this perfectionism. A smartphone camera and her existing kitchen equipment were her only starting capital. Generating 4 lakh rupees in revenue from such humble beginnings highlights the supreme importance of resourcefulness over resources. By keeping her initial overhead remarkably low, she maximized her profit margins and proved that starting small is a brilliant entrepreneurial business strategic advantage. Building trust in a crowded digital marketplace requires unwavering consistency, and this young baker understood that fundamental principle intuitively. When consumers scroll through endless feeds of content, they look for reliability. By regularly posting her creations, she proved her dedication and established a dependable presence. Customers could see the consistent quality of her bakery items before ever making a purchase. This visual proof reduced the friction of buying from an unknown seller. Consistency transformed casual viewers into loyal patrons, and each successful delivery generated positive word of mouth, creating a powerful compounding effect that accelerated her impressive sales growth incredibly.